Hello students, today I am going to start the new lesson, that is spreadsheet and introduction. Spreadsheet means Microsoft Excel. Till now we have discussed, means in your previous classes we have learned Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft Word helps you to create and edit the documents, and Microsoft PowerPoint helps you to create the presentations. So effective and appealing presentations can be created by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now point is Microsoft Excel, so that is spreadsheet application, spreadsheet software. So this is another important application of Microsoft Office suite. When we install Microsoft Office, in that Office suite folder we will get this Microsoft Excel. This Excel, Microsoft Excel, it is one of the most popular spreadsheet software. So mainly it is used to perform the mathematical calculations. From simple to complex calculations can be done by using Microsoft Excel. So let me show you how that appearance of that Microsoft Excel. So that we'll see how to open and on. I will explain that points once again. So just you see the window of Microsoft Excel, and this Excel mainly used for calculations. You can do the calculations. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application for organizing, analyzing and storing data in a tabular form, means in the form of rows and columns. So these are columns and these are rows. So you can arrange, you can analyze, you can organize the data effectively in the form of tables. The tabular form is in the form of tables. Okay. Here rows and columns are given. By using these rows and columns effectively, you can analyze, you can arrange your data in this Microsoft Excel. Here Microsoft Excel provides built-in features and built-in tools such as formulas. You can use that here, formula, then functions. This is formula bar. Okay. So here you can insert the formulas, and here what the names I am showing. So this is function names. Okay. Here these all are inbuilt. Okay. By using this inbuilt formula and inbuilt functions, you can perform our calculation. And data analysis tool that makes it easier to work with large amount of data. Here by using these formulas and functions, we can make our work easy. We can speed up our work. We can finish our work very easily. Okay. So mainly calculations work, not typing work. For typing work and all, you have another software, that is Microsoft Word. And if you want to give the presentations and all, you go for Microsoft PowerPoint. So that is the best software for presenting the data, presenting the information. Now let us see the features of Microsoft Excel. Okay. So this is the window of Microsoft Excel. So now what are the features? The first feature, formulas are mainly used for performing simple and complex mathematical calculations. For example, now if I enter two numbers, okay, so let me enter a little bit bigger number. Okay, see here I have entered two numbers and I want to make addition of these two numbers. I have one option, that is formula, done. My addition is done. So see, very quickly, so we can do the addition, we can do the subtraction, all the types of calculations can be done by using this Microsoft Excel sheet. So that is the point they have given. Formulas are mainly used for performing. Now this is simple calculation. So what I have done, this is simple calculation. So in detail we will discuss this, how to write the formulas and all. So now only I am showing the features. Functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating percentage, interest, average, etc. So by using the functions, you can calculate the average, you can calculate the percentage, interest. So different types of calculations can be done by using that functions. Formatting features improve the appearance of data. So now after entering, you can format your data as per your need. Formatting means changing the color, changing the background color, changing the font size. So these are the fonts. Then font name, then this font size is here. So the font size, then you can align it left, center, right. Okay. You can align your text, and if you want to make it bold, you can use this bold option, italic, underline. So these all are formatting options. You can format your data in a attractive way. The data is automatically recalculated in the entire worksheet if any changes is made in a single cell. So when you make an addition, for example, okay, so let me go for a little bit middle. So now I'll enter some of the numbers. Okay. Let me add in this cells. Okay. Now I'll make an addition of these numbers. So now addition is 125. I'm going to change the number here. I'll make it 10. So when you change the values in that range, automatically that effect will be applied on the result. Means you can see that effect in your result also. Before addition was 125, now 103. Addition is 103. If I change the number once again, you can see the effect. Got it? So this is the point. So data is automatically recalculated. So this data automatically gets recalculated whenever you change the whenever you made the changes in that data, okay, in a single cell or in a multiple cells. Data can be searched quickly and if required replaced instantly. If you want to find out, if you want to search any data, you can use the find option here. So you can use this find option and you can search it. See here, find next. That cell is highlighting. If I click on find next, see here, that cell is highlighting. You can find and you can replace the data very quickly. Okay. So replacing the cells, now in the place of 100 I want 200. If you want that 200 in only one place, means click on replace. If you want this 200 in wherever that 100 occurred in all that places, then click on replace all. So that 200 got replaced. That is the point. Quick data entry can be done in a large series of cells by using the autofill option. Now, for example, if you want to enter the number, with a common difference, in that case, by using autofill option, you can quickly fill that data. For example, now I want to enter table of number 15. For entering that table, that 15 table, you need not to go on enter. So now here difference is 15. Okay. So just drag it down over. So this is the way you can quickly fill the data. For example, I want a table of 16. So here we have entered two numbers with the difference. Okay. So now 32 and 16. In between 16 is the difference. Okay. Then when you drag it, automatically number will be filled. So this is autofill option. Very quickly we can enter the data. Data can be viewed in a graphical form such as charts, which help to understand, analyze and compare data in an effective manner. Here, if you want to see this data in the form of charts, you can insert the chart and you can see. Okay. See. This is the way you can insert the chart and effectively you can see or you can compare the data. You can see. So this is a feature that is given. So data can be seen by using the chart in an effective manner. We can analyze and we can compare the data. This is another feature. So these features have made Microsoft Excel the first choice for professionals to quickly perform lengthy accounting and financial tasks. Okay, so these features helps and made choice for the professionals to quickly perform the lengthy calculations. We can perform the calculation and we can finish our work. Okay, so these are the features made this application very popular. Nowadays everywhere this application is getting used. I hope you have understood these points. So today whatever I have discussed, so first thing is that is introduction of Microsoft Excel, and we have discussed features of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now next point, in the next session we'll see how to open Microsoft Excel and what are the components which are present in Microsoft Excel. We'll see. Thank you for watching.